Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your website. You'll be given a website link that has hdwebsites.info or hdwebsites.info. So mine is yusuf.hdwebsites.info. So you are going to write /wp dash admin like this. So you click on it. So it's going to give you an interface like this. So write your username. My username is Yusuf, and my password, I'm going to write it too. Then I'm going to log in. So you would have successfully logged in. So this is how you log into your website. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete all your posts. Now, once you've logged into your dashboard, what you're going to do is press on this 3 bar to the left. Once you click on that 3 bar to the left, you will go to posts. When you click on posts, you click on all posts. So once it's done loading, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and click on the tick box before title. Once you click on the tick box before title, it's going to click on all the posts that are there. Then you click on bulk actions, and then you choose move to trash. Then you click on apply. Once you click on apply, it's going to move everything to the trash. So now that it has moved everything to the trash, you now click on trash again, and you make sure that you delete everything. So you click on the title again, then you click on bulk actions, and then you click on delete permanently, and you click on apply. Once you do it, you would have successfully deleted all the posts. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete all the pages. Once you're on your dashboard, you click on these 3 buttons to the left. Once you click on it, you go to pages. Once you click on pages, you click on all pages. Then it's going to show you all your pages. Once it shows you all your pages, just like the other one, you click on the icon before the title. It will select all the pages that are there, and you scroll down and you click on bulk actions, and you click on move to trash, and you click on apply. So it's going to delete all the pages that you have. Once it has deleted all the pages, you go to trash again. Then you click on this title too once again, and you scroll down and you click on empty trash. So once you click on empty trash, it's going to delete everything in the trash. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete all the plugins. Once you're on your dashboard, you click on the 3 bar icon to the left. Once you click on it, you scroll down to plugins. Once you click on plugins, you click on installed plugins. Once you click on installed plugins and everything has loaded, then you scroll down again and you click on this check before the plugin, and you scroll down and you click on bulk action, and you click on deactivate. So for the plugin, you have to deactivate everything first, and you click on apply. Once you have deactivated everything, then you are going to delete them. So you go again and you click on the plugin again, and you scroll down again, you click on bulk actions, and you click on delete this time, and you click on apply, and you click on OK. So it's going to delete all the plugins. So once everything has successfully been deleted, it's going to give you a notification that it has deleted all your plugins. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete all the themes. So you click on these 3 bar icons to the left, you scroll down to appearance. Under appearance, you click on themes. When you click on themes, you wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, you scroll down to other themes. The theme that has customized in front of it is the one that we are actually using now. So every other theme other than the one that we are using, we are going to delete them. So I click on the first one and I click on delete, and I say OK. And I click on the second one too, and I click on delete, and I say OK. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the permalinks to post name. So once you're in the dashboard, you click on the 3 bar icon to the left. Once you click on it, you scroll down to settings. From settings, you scroll down to permalinks. Once it's done loading, you now choose post name. So it's usually a month and name, so you click on post name. Once you click on save, it will save it successfully, and you have successfully changed it to post name. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the ASTRA theme. Once you log into your dashboard, you change your view to desktop site. You click on desktop site. Once it's showing like this, then you go to appearance. Then under appearance, you click on themes. So once you see themes, you click on add new. Then we search for ASTRA, ASTRA. So you search for ASTRA until you see the ASTRA theme with the purple background where you see your idea matters. So you click on it, then you click on install. Once it's done installing, then you click on activate, and then you have successfully installed your ASTRA theme. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the ENVATO element plugin. Once you are in your dashboard, you click on plugins. Once you click on plugins, you click on add new. Once you click on add new and it's done loading, you search for ENVATO element, then you click on the search button. Once it's done loading, you click on install now. Once it's done, you click on activate, and alhamdulillah, you are done. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to view the desktop version of your website. So once you have logged into your website, you click on these three dots in your Chrome browser and you click on desktop site. Once you click on desktop site, it's going to load it in this way. There are some times when you click on desktop site, it's not going to show all the names of the icons. It will show it in this view like this. So if it's like that, all you need to do is to go to this icon here and click on it, and it's going to show everything there. So that's the collapse menu. So if you click it again, it goes in. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the ASTRA starter site plugin. Once you're in your dashboard, you click on plugins and you click on add new. Then you search for ASTRA starter plugin. So ASTRA, this is it, ASTRA starter. So you click on install. Once it's done installing, you click on activate, and you have successfully installed your ASTRA starter plugin. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.